Hey, what is this?
This is garbage.
Yeah, but this is not good to throw every day, you know.
Hi, my name is Trilok and I'm working at the Deer Park Institute since 2006. And I'm working, my project is an eco handicraft, and I use the base material such as a small pieces, and I make put together and I make the new design such as a bag, wallet, book cover, and many design. And also I'm making the teddy bear, and I stuff the many things inside plastic and small pieces of cloth. And also I give the training for the women, make bag, wallet, and they make at home, and they working at the they get the money from the product. And also I do the work, start the project, community project, and I give the training for the school kids, and they can for the make awareness.